Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if it keeps showing you order not confirmed when paying. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded and open up, you can go right there and it's going to open up this home page. From there in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. So from this home page, go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, go ahead and log in. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started with accessing the editor mode in the upper left corner with the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having if the order has not been validated. As you can see right here in the official Odoo forum, somebody already posted the same question with a similar problem and we had some solutions given to them to go ahead and try out. So basically you can go ahead and try this out for yourself step by step. Why? So just going for you to go to the configuration tab right here, open up your settings, and then go ahead and try this out step by step. But if it still doesn't help you, you want to go to the official Odoo forums and post your own problem, provide a picture and all the necessary details, and somebody more knowledgeable about Odoo or a developer is going to step in and show you the step-by-step on how to fix any potential problem that you might be having, and this is your best choice for fixing any errors on Odoo. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.